Welcome to the course Railways, Airport and Harbour Engineering. So in today's session, we will be going to discuss about railway planning and design. In this particular, we will be going to see a role of Indian railways in transportation. So we know that the main purpose of railways is to transfer heavy loads, and it is one of the fastest and cheapest mode of transfer. And also it can carry a large number of passengers from one place to another place. So it is a main role in transportation system. So here is the classifications. So it is based on the surface. We are classifying the transportation system into land transport, which is we know that roadways or highways, and then railways, cable and ropeways. And next classification is water transport system. So in this we are having different classifications such as canalways, riverways, ocean and lakeways. And the final one is air transportation classification. In this, we all know that it is nothing but airways. So next is the classification of transportation system based on means of communication. So based on the communication, we can classify it into animal transport, road transport, rural transport, air, water, pipeline, conveyor, cable and ropeways transport, etc. So we are having a number of transportation systems for making the passengers as well as goods as well as other things such as chemicals and everything. So the final one is based on freedom to move laterally and vertically. So while comparing with the structural analysis, like the relationship between transportation and analysis is nothing but 1 degree of freedom, 2 degree of freedom, and then 3 degree of freedom. We can say a few examples to each of them. In 1 degree of freedom, in this mode, vehicles are free to move along a line only. So it can be allowed to move in particular line only. So the best examples are pipeline, railways, and cableways. And then 2 degree of freedom. In this classification, the vehicles can move along a line as well as it can move laterally. So this in this method, vehicles are restrained in vertical directions. So the examples are roadways and waterways. And the next is 3 degree of freedom. In this mode of vehicles, the vehicles are free to move in any plane like X, Y, Z planes. Example is airways and submarines. And then we can have this according to energy used for movement. So from the ancient days, we are using human energy for bullock carts such as etc. And the next is fuel energy, and we are nowadays using electrical energy, solar energy, and then steam energy, hydraulic energy, atomic and magnetic energies for the transportation system, for the movement of vehicles. So the next is integrating and coordinating functions of railways. So we can say that while considering the transportation systems, we are having a number of factors involving in that. The process of production is means to finance, government, defense, communication, etc. So in this the process of production will be having different processes such as collection of raw materials, use of manpower, and then marketing and using the equipments and supply, and finally the fuel and power. So the whole process involves three steps, which is nothing but production, distribution, and then consumption. So for all of these factors, railways plays a main functions. Okay, thank you. In next session, we will be continuing with the historic development of railways in India.